work on that.
All right. So, could you state your name and who you work for?
I am Aaron Erickson. I work for Magenic Technologies.
And you are out of what office?
I am out of the Chicago office.
So you're yet another one of those who trekked up here. You and Dan, but
Yes.
Corey actually drove, which I still think is insane. Or it's highly committed. Yeah, he did. Yeah, he's here. So that's
Not
just
that
insanity.
clear,
So
okay.
I got distracted because Darcy just walked in the room, but we're going to ignore him for now and trek on. So,
All
so,
right.
so what are you talking about today?
I'm talking about the Link Expressions namespace, not Expression Blend, as some people may walk in because it says Expression on it.
Yeah. So, because your talk is on self-modifying something. So
I'm talking about programs that write programs.
you're not stealing my code, are you?
No, but I am calling out, that you've got like way cooler stuff than me on this topic. When I was looking at the stuff you were doing, it's like, I really shouldn't be doing this talk. Really, Jason ought to be doing
There's somebody sitting behind me going, "You're making his head bigger. Shut up."
Mwah, look at him, he's marvelous. Look at him, sexy from Chicago. Oh yeah.
Now I've totally lost track of everything I was going to ask you.
That's okay. That's okay.
So what is the appeal to?
I'm blushing now.
Yeah, you are. I can actually see the red on your face. It's awesome.
Very red.
Yeah. So what is the appeal in terms of Link in writing programs that write programs? What's so cool about the expression stuff?
Oh, it's awesome because we've wanted to do this in or at least I've wanted to do this. I don't know about you. Wanted to do this for a long time using kind of normal .NET languages. My first initial background in programming was in Lisp, which is a language that's designed around this idea that you can have programs code as data.
Right.
And so how cool would it be to not have to use this ugly reflection emit stuff?
Hey.
Yeah, I know. Sorry, I don't want to do it. The reason there's so little reflection emit code is because it's such a pain in the rear. So it's having a way to do that's less painful is very alluring to me. And there's a lot of really cool things you can do with it, and a lot of cool things in Link that are made possible by having this capability.
Now, it's interesting that you brought the reflection emit stuff and Link. What is the current state in terms of what you can do with expressions in Link? Mm-hmm. Because it is still a little bit limited. And can you say anything about where the direction is going with expression trees in the future?
I can't say much about expression trees in the future, but I can certainly say what the limits are now.
Okay.
And the limits are largely it's for dealing with immutable constructs. There's no, for example, there's no way to construct something that assigns a variable, creates a variable, assigns a variable, that kind of thing. So you can't do statement blocks. You can't, or a lot of those kinds of things that would deal with something that you wouldn't have in a straight lambda expression, not even like a statement lambda, but just a regular func type lambda. So
right, which that gets just put in as an anonymous method anyway, right?
Right.
So you can't also do exception handlers either, right?
Right.
So it's still got some ways to go, but for a lot of things,
you can't write your entire program as one big expression statement. You
right.
can do mostly things that you would do in functional programming, which is kind of something I actually talk about in the talk. It's something that you notice. What you can do with expressions is largely around what you would be able to do in like one single F# statement or one single Link query. So it's really kind of purpose built for what Link is doing, so that you can evaluate a where what you pass to a where method and do something else with it. So it was built for that purpose, but it's a nice side effect that we get to do other things with it.
Cool. All right, I'll get the camera hog on the screen next. That guy should get a low shot here, but anyway.
Okay, I'm ready to go get it.
No, not you. So anyway, thank you, Aaron.
Thank you, Jason.